Marvelous. Popsy, what will you eat? Mm, fried rice and chicken.
She what?
Okay. Babe. It's fried rice and chicken we're eating this morning, no? Stop playing. Fried rice and chicken. You know, the lap I go chop set. Go play. As in, Okay, now later. Bye. Marvelous. There's granite on top table. You know where we normally keep sugar. Take garri and soap. Uh-uh. Is it not fried rice and chicken we are supposed to eat this morning?
You gonna explain tire.
Are you soaking the garri or not? But you asked me, I told you fried rice and chicken now.
Sorry, yo.
I asked you what will you eat. You tell me your favorite food. What's my business with that? Go and take your garri and soap.
Photo.
Really fried rice and chicken.
Chai!
Oh, no.
This is our self, eh? They go ask you what you want to finish. Now what did their mind they go to give you.
Sorry, yo.